Welcome to page 2 of our semester 2 exam review. We're going to pick it up right where we left off, obviously right after page 1. And here we have a problem very similar to number 6. I'm going to actually, since we have 3 unknowns, I'm going to add one more equation, 0x plus 0y plus 0z obviously would equal 0. And I'm going to jump into my calculator. Let's go second matrix, edit this 3 by 4, and we have values of 6 and 7 and 5 and 8, and negative 30 and 14 and 15 and negative 16, and 0 and 0 and 0 and 0. Second quit, second enter. I think I have this stored in here. RREF, row reduced echelon form, Gauss-Jordan, elimination, math fraction, and I think I'll squeeze this in here. Because the bottom row is all zeros, that means I'm going to have a point generator, something A. I'm calling ZA. So my first equation is 1x minus 5 on 42 z's, but I'm going to use A equals 16 on 21, or add 5 42nds and I get 5 42nds joins a 5 42nds A, excuse me, joins a 16 on 21. And the second equation, that's 1y plus 40 on 49a equals 24 on 49. Subtract 40 49ths and I get 24 49ths minus 40 on 49a. So I think we quickly see that is exactly this point generator, B. So calculator, very helpful. Order of the matrix. The order of the matrix is always rows by columns. Now, if for whatever reason you forget, columns up and down, rows this way. If you forget, you could always go into second matrix, edit, and let's just create, I think it's a 5 by 4, let's say, and I go 5 by 4, and then I realize, wait a minute, that's 5 rows, so I need to have a 4 by 5, and that looks like the right fit for this matrix. So this is a 4 by 5. I don't see any way we would miss this with A or C, but B is a possibility. Solve the following system. Getting lots of practice on this. Second matrix, edit, 3 by 4, 3 and 4 and 4 and negative 26, and 2 and 3 and 2 and negative 17. Good time to double check those. And 4 and negative 1 and negative 5 and 5. Second quit. RAFA, negative 2, negative 3, negative 2. Seems like maybe that problem should have come before some of the others as far as difficulty goes. Well, let's take a look at 10. Now, you can't just be in a total hurry here to jump on that bandwagon RREF this. We probably want to think of this as 2x minus 4y equals 8, 3x plus 4y equals negative 38. And here's one where it's so convenient, we've got a perfect match with the y's that I might just jump straight into elimination. I have 5x equals negative 30, x is negative 6, and I assure you when you put negative 6 in for x, we'll do it. Let's see, we get 2 times negative 6, negative 12 minus 4y equals 8. Add 12, negative 4y equals 20. Y is negative 5. But could you RREF it? You could RREF it from that point. Okay, here's what this means. I'm going to multiply row 1 and row 1 only by negative 2/3. So I'm not changing row 2 or row 3. That's out of the question. Not changing row 2. This is possible. Not changing row 2 or 3. Not changing row 2 or 3. The only possibility really appears to be this, but let's take a look. Negative 2/3 times 0, 0. Negative 2/3 times negative 8. Positive 8/3. Negative 10/3. Positive 14 on 3. And these stayed the same. It is B. Okay, that concludes page 2. Let me know if I can help.